Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The New School Counselors. Yes. So today guys, we have a very fun video. It is a unboxing video and it's definitely geared towards new counselors. You just graduated, you don't have anything. So I found a few inexpensive things on Amazon and I just bought them. So I wanted to share them with you. So the first thing I wanted to share with you is a 50-piece chalk set. Now, I have kindergarten through second grade. They love this. I get out construction paper and they make some of the most beautiful pictures. Yes, it does get all over their little hands and their little clothes. So I kind of use a baby wipe to wipe them down before they leave. And it also has their hands smelling really, really great. But they love sidewalk chalk. Now, with the sidewalk chalk, guys, because I have the little ones, I have a check-in, check-out system. You can only use one piece of chalk at a time because they will break it. They will. Love them, but they will break it. This was $5 at Target. You may be able to find it cheaper on Amazon, but I'm a Target girl. I was in there. It was on sale. I bought it. I only bought one. Nope, that's a lie. I bought two because they run through this, y'all. They run through it. They really do. So anyway, and you've only spent $10. I mean, it's just a great deal. It's 100 pieces for $10. So, moving right along. See what's next. So, new school counselors who don't have anything, man, let me tell you something. Kids love Uno. If they don't know how to play, you can teach them. This is definitely a good part of play therapy. To be a rapport with a student while we're playing, asking questions that you really want to know the answers to, while having a great time with them. And they don't even know that they're spilling all the tea. You know what I mean? So, and I do like that I always get the emotions, okay, with the emojis. The different emojis. Let's talk about the emoji that's on the card. Pick out one and how you're feeling. You can always use it to your advantage. Now for the fun ones, because we do centers at my school, which is like rotations. And I love it because on our third day, which I'll make another video about it to explain more, they go to centers and minions. And then for the boys or girls, either or, I bought the Uno ones cards and it was like $3.99 a piece on Amazon. Okay, Amazon and Target for the win for your office to get you going. Okay, this is definitely a starter school counselor, beginner school counselor, graduate student. You're in grad school, go ahead and pick them up if you have some extra money because you'll be all set to go. It doesn't take a lot to get started with these kiddos. Now, the next things I have is, let's see. Oh, I did some shopping though. I did. Our affirmation stickers. I am going to do a lesson plan and I'm going to show you all a lesson that I do with these. I can also use these for group and for a girl group that they will love and get to keep. You can put these on water bottles. You can and have each girl go around in the group and talk about why they chose the words that they did choose. Now, of course, this couldn't be for kindergartners because they can't read yet. You know what I mean? So maybe my second grade group. And I'll also share these with the other counselor because she has fifth grade. And I think I've done this before with fifth grade in my internship. And they loved it. And I also got the idea from my site supervisor, who was amazing and taught me everything I know. So, you know, kudos and shout out to Miss Bexley. She's amazing. All right, moving along. So I'm getting ready to start a career lesson. And for my little people, I purchased these two books. Now, this is Deaf Elementary all day long, okay? This channel, I'm going to give you a lot of stuff if you are an elementary school counselor or that's where you're choosing to be. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, girl, so you won't miss anything. So this is called Whose Vehicle Is This? My kindergartners loved this in my internship. And this one is Whose Hat Is This? You can do vice versa. Like, one year do this one, and then when they get to first grade, maybe you do this one, you know, so you're not doing the same lessons. Also, I'm coming back on my website, newschoolcounselors.com. I'm going to have lessons for these written out for you, ready to go, okay? I love using bibliotherapy for my students. It is a great way for them to learn, and it sticks with them. And you always want to do like worksheets or something else to go with it so they can take home to the parents and show them what they did with you. Love it. Okay. So for my final book that I bought, honey, okay. So this was one of my first lessons that I did as an intern, and it resonated with me. It stuck with me. I was like, Aquarius, get it for your students. And that will be after I do my career lesson. Then I'm going to do a diversity lesson. And y'all, I'm not going to give it away because I'm going to make videos separate on this book and give you guys the whole lesson plan to go with it. But it's amazing. And that's what I say, when you really find a career that you love, you don't feel like you're working. This just don't feel like work. So anyway, it's called The Big Orange Splot, you guys. And it is by Daniel Pinkwater. And it's a very old book. But it is just so meaningful. And the kids get it. They get it. Even kindergartners, first grade, second grade, they get it. You can use this book for more than just diversity. You can show differences with this book as well. Being unique, standing out on your own, not being like everybody else. So it can go different ways. But this one touched my heart. Y'all, and these books were not expensive. I think this book was like $7.99. Whose Hat Is This? By Sharon Cooper. Yep, this one was $7.99. And Whose Vehicle Is This? By Miss Sharon Cooper. It was also $7.99. Very inexpensive. Will last you and get your program up and going. Now, let's see. Oh my goodness, I didn't buy the book that goes with him. I thought I did. I'm gonna save him for last. So, you guys, 200 pack. It's heavy. Okay, this is pretty heavy. Now, I bought lamination pouches. Girl, where you buy lamination pouches? And they have it at your school. They do have free lamination stations at my school, but it's very thin lamination, okay? And it was like that at the place that I interned as well. This is thick. This is great quality. And a lot of the lessons that I create, I want them to last for a very long time. I don't want to have to print them out, start over again. They're durable. I have little people, okay, kindergarten through second grade, and they will tear it up. Some not intentionally. The ones that you get from school. So I always invest in these, and I'm always able to find them for $30, for $200. I think that's a great deal, and I'm buying them all the time. I will also show you guys in another video my actual machine and how I use it to create lessons for my kiddos. So guys, the last thing that I purchased, and I need to get the book that goes with this. If you're an elementary school teacher, you need to get the Worry Monster. You need to buy him. He needs to be your best friend, okay? The Worry Monster is this stuffed bear. Okay, well, don't call him a bear. He's a monster. And he has a pouch, okay? And within his pouch, in his mouth, is where you can get the student, will allow the student to keep him all day, to write down their worries. Again, probably not for kindergarten, but you get it. And you put them in here. But once you put them in here, they're gone. You can't worry about it anymore. It's gone. Kids need to be able to not only see what you're saying, but also have a way to feel that this is gone. This is what I was feeling. How do I get rid of this feeling? You know, it's just one of the best. And he's so cute. He's really cute. But he does come with the book, and I didn't order the book. I'm going to probably order the book on my next go round of things that I order from Amazon. So anyway, second grade, third grade, I've had students that, which was very surprising. I had a fifth grade student in my internship that I didn't know if they would work on them or not. I only saw her one time, and I gave her, and I was like, do you want to keep him, you know, all day? I thought maybe she would be embarrassed because maybe she was in the fifth grade. I think it was just my own stuff that I was probably putting out there. And she didn't. She took him and kept him all day, and she put her worries in it, and that was the end of it. I did not see her again. She never came back. Obviously, I don't know if it's the worry monster or me. Probably the worry monster. We'll give him credit where credit is due. Anyway, guys, that is what I purchased as a new school counselor for my students, and my starting to just build materials, lessons, just everything that I need to run a successful, comprehensive counseling program. And I will leave links below to everything that I purchased, as well as put some of these, all of these things on my website. So, and it'll be in detail. So just because I go through it here very quickly, there will be an explanation at newschoolcounselors.com for every item that I showed you and how I'm going to be using them with my students. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also leave me a comment below if you want to add or some things that maybe you think I should buy. And have a great day. Bye.